Good evening, students. Now I am teaching ninth class, second chapter, polynomials and factorization. Okay, before we learn about polynomials, know about the algebraic expression. Okay, algebraic expression means what? Variables and constant are both with the combination of binary operations. So binary operations means what? Plus, minus, into, divide. Okay, so that combination is called algebraic expression. Here variables. Here what are the variables here? A, B, C and so on, X, Y, Z. Okay, next constant 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay, these are with the combination of binary operation plus, minus, into, divide. Okay, that expression is called algebraic expression. Okay, so here what is called polynomial means, before you go to the polynomial, know about that algebraic expression. Already you know that algebraic expression. Okay, variables or constant or both with the combination of binary operations is called algebraic expression. For example, here that is 2x square minus 3x plus 5 by y. Here what are the variable here? X, y. Binary operations plus, minus, into, divide. Okay, where constant are 2, 3, 5. Okay, so this is called algebraic expression. Okay, next, degree means what? The sum of powers of variables of a term in an algebraic expression is called degree. Okay, so that is here for example 3a, b, c. It is a term. Here how many variables are there? 3. So a, b, c. A power is 1, b power is 1, c power is 1. Okay, the sum of powers of variables of a term is called degree. Okay, here what the degree of this term? 3. Okay, 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. So next, x square, 5x square, y cube, z to the power of 10. Okay, it is a term. How many variables are there? Here 3, x, y, z. X power is 3, y power is 3, z power 10. Okay, so that is the sum of powers of variables of a term. That is here 2 plus 3, 5 plus 3, 15. So this is degree of this term. Okay, here the 3 and 5 are called coefficient. Okay, the constant factor or variable factor of a term is called coefficient. Here how many terms are there? 3 terms. So here what the quotient of x square? 2. What the quotient of x? Minus 3. What the quotient of okay, there is no here variable. Why? The variable is negative. Okay, so here coefficient means what? In a term the constant factor is called coefficient. Okay, degree means what? The sum of powers of variables of a term is called degree. Okay, here next, polynomials means the degree of terms of an algebraic expression is non-negative integers. So here non-negative integers means what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, infinity. These are all called non-negative integers. That means what? Other than 0. Okay, that means negative, other than negative and okay, other than negative are called non-negative. Non-negative means negative. Okay, the integer, the number does not negative. Okay, here what are that? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. These are positive. 0 is neither negative nor positive. Okay, so the terms of degree, the degree of terms of an algebraic expression is non-negative integers. Okay, so for example here x square plus 5x plus 10. Here how many terms are there? 3 terms. 1, 2, 3. Okay, in these 3 terms, first term degree is how much? 2. Next term degree is how much? 1. Next term degree is how much? 0. Okay, here it is a constant term. Here there is no variable. So what the degree here? 0. Okay, it is term. Here what the variable x? X power is how much? 1. Here it is a term. X power is how much? 2. Okay, so this is called what? Polynomial. Okay, the degree of terms of an algebraic expression is non-negative integer. So for example here x plus 1 by x, x plus 1 by x. Here x we can write x power is 1. Okay, 1 by x we can write as x power minus 1. Here how many terms are there? Two terms, that is x and x power minus 1. So in this two term the power of x is 1, here the power of x is minus 1. So the term's degree is an or negative integers. So therefore it is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. The degree of terms are negative integers or decimals or fractions. Okay, so for example here 3 root x plus 5 x square plus 100. How many terms are there? 3 terms. Okay, first term degree, here how much? 1 by 2 root x, that means we can write as x power 1 by 2. So here what the degree? 1 by 2, here 2, here 0. Okay, so here the term degree are fractions, so therefore it is not a polynomial. Negative means that it is not a polynomial, fractions means it is not a polynomial, decimal it is not a polynomial. So the degree of terms of an algebraic expression is non-negative integer are called polynomial. Okay, next one is 0 or root, 0 or root or solution or find or evaluate. Okay, means what? To find the unknowing thing of the value, unknowing thing of value. Okay, so in an algebraic expression, in a polynomial, it is called 0 or root or solution or evaluate or find. Okay, so here, for suppose, here what are the unknown thing here? Variables. Okay, so here variable means what? A symbol that change for any numerical value is called variable. Okay, here 2x plus 10. It is one algebraic expression or a polynomial. It is a polynomial. Why? Here how many terms are there? Two terms. First term degree is 1, next term is 0. So the terms degrees are non-negative integers. So therefore it is a polynomial. Okay, here what are the unknown thing value here? X. Okay, here types of polynomials. Before we can know about the 0 or solution or root or evaluate or anything, before know about that linear types of polynomials. Okay, based on degrees. Okay, here the degree is 1. Degree of the polynomial is 1. The type of polynomial is called linear polynomial. So the example is x minus 11. Okay, degree is 1. The polynomial degree is 1. It is called linear polynomial. The polynomial degree is 2. That is called quadratic polynomial. Okay, so here how many terms are there? Two terms. The first term degree is 1, next term degree is 0. So the degree of this polynomial is 1. It is called linear polynomial. Degree is 2. That is called quadratic polynomial. For example, x square plus x plus 2. Okay, here how many terms are there? 3 terms. First term degree 2, next 1, next 0. So it is called quadratic polynomial. Degree is 3. It is called cubic polynomial. So x cube minus 27. How many terms are there? 2 terms. First term degree is 3, next term is 0. So the degree of the polynomial is 3. That is called cubic polynomial. 4. Biquadratic polynomial. Biquadratic polynomial. That is here x power 4 plus 16. Here how many terms are there? 2 terms. The degree of this term is 4. Okay, it is called types of polynomial. Degree is n, that is called nth degree polynomial. Okay, the general form of polynomial equation is here a0 x power n plus a1 x power n minus 1 plus a2 x power n minus 2 plus a3 x power n minus 3 plus and so on plus an. Okay, this is called general form of polynomial. Okay, so this polynomial which is equal to 0, it is called polynomial equation. Okay, so here 0 or root, okay, or solution or find or solve means to find the unknown thing. Here what is the unknown thing here? Variable. Okay, how we can find? Here there is several methods for each type of polynomial. Linear polynomial. Okay, so linear polynomial, how we can find the unknown thing means there is 4 methods are there. There are trial and error method. Next one is without transform method. Next one is with transform method. Next one is graphical method. Okay, for the quadratic polynomial there is four methods are there. That is substitution method. That means substitution means what? In the place of x we can take any numerical value. Okay, that method is called, another name is trial and error method. Trial and error method, next factorized method, next complete square method, next algebraic identities method, next graphical method. Okay, in the linear polynomial, in linear polynomial, to find the unknown thing by using graphical method, we can get the curve is straight line. Here quadratic polynomial you can get as parabola say. Okay, so here the general form of linear polynomial is ax plus b. Here the general form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. The general form of cubic polynomial is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Okay, like that it is a general form of linear, quadratic, cubic. Biquadratic means x power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e. Okay, this is biquadratic polynomial. Okay, so this is the here how we can find. Okay, in linear polynomial there is four methods: trial and error method, without transform, with the transform, graphical method. In quadratic polynomial, how we can find the zeros or roots or solution? Okay, there is again four methods are there: factorized method, next algebraic identities method, complete square method, graphical method. Another method is trial and error method. Okay, so here find the value of each of the following polynomials. P of x. P of x means what? Polynomial with variable x. Okay. Q of x means what? Polynomial with variable x. So here, for suppose f of y means polynomial with variable y. P of t means what? Polynomial with variable t. Okay. So here, find the value of each of the following polynomials. P of x is equal to 4x square minus 3x plus 7 at x is equal to 1. So they are asking that this polynomial value at x is equal to 1. In the place of x we take that 1. That is here P of 1 is equal to 4 into 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 7. So 4 into 1 square 1 minus 3 into 1 plus 7. So 4 minus 3 plus 7. 4 minus 3 1 plus 7, that is equal to 1. So the polynomial value at x is equal to 1 is how much? 8. Next, q of y is equal to 2y cube minus 4y plus root 11 at y is equal to 1. So q of 1 is equal to 2 into 1 cube minus 4 into 1 plus root 11. So 2 into 1 minus 4 into 1 plus root 11. So 2 minus 4 plus root 11. 2 minus 4 minus 2 plus root 11. So q of 1 is equal to minus 2 plus root 11. R of t is equal to 4 to the power of 4 plus 3t cube minus t square plus 6 at t is equal to p. T belongs to R. Capital R means what? Real numbers. So R of p is equal to 4 into p power 4 plus 3 into p cube minus p square plus 6. So that is here 4 plus 3p cube minus p square plus 6. So R of p is equal. Next, S of z is equal z cube minus 1 at z is equal 1. So that is here S of 1. In the place of z we take that 1 is equal 1 cube minus 1. 1 cube 1 minus 1, that is equal 0. S of 1 is equal 0. Next, P of x is equal 3x square plus 5x minus 7 at x is equal 1. In the place of x we can take as 1. So that is here P of 1 is equal 3 into 1 square plus 5 into 1 minus 7. So 3 into 1 square 1 plus 5 into 1 minus 7. So 3 plus 5 minus 7, 8 minus 7, that is equal 1. P of 1 is equal 1. Q of z is equal to 5z cube minus 4z plus root 2 at z is equal 2. So Q of 2 is equal to 5 into 2 cube minus 4 into 2 plus root 2. So 5 into 2 cube 8 minus 4 into 2 plus root 2. So 5 8 jam 40 minus 8 plus root 2. 40 minus 8 32 plus root 2. So Q of 2 is equal 32 plus root 2.